tutorial.
Hi, I'm Monique from Beads and Basics. Thanks for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make these cool flower earrings, and I'll show you what you need. For these earrings you'll need the following materials: head pins, 4x3 faceted beads, our flower beads and these flower beads, bead caps, 2 of the bohemian connectors, piece of ball chain and ball chain end caps, earring hooks and the transparent closures, 4mm jump rings and spacer beads, and you'll also need some pliers. So these earrings are really easy to make. You only need the right materials, and I'll just show you how you can put them together. So we're going to start with the bottom part, and I'm going to put on a faceted bead, a silver spacer bead, another faceted bead, one of the small flower beads, and a bead cap. Cut off the head pin a little bit less than 1 centimeter above your bead cap, and just with your pliers make a small eye. So it looks like this. So that's the bottom part of your earring. For the middle we're going to take another head pin, going to put on a faceted bead, a bead cap and a flower bead, and just put that through the middle of your bohemian connector. Cut off your head pin, again a little bit less than 1 centimeter, and we're also going to make an eye on the back of this connector, and that's purely to keep your head pin and your flower secured. It's a little bit trickier because it's a bit harder to hold. But then again, it doesn't have to be a perfect round eye because it's at the back of your earring and you won't really see it. So that's good. You want it to look like this. And now we can put them together. So we're going to use a piece of ball chain. I'm just going to use a small piece, about 2 centimeters, because you're also going to attach an end cap and a jump ring. But if you want to have it a bit longer, maybe like this, that's also possible. So I just got a small piece of ball chain. Take your ball chain end caps and put them on both ends of your ball chain. And then we're going to take a 4mm jump ring, just open it a little bit, and attach one end to the eye of your head pin that you just made. And we're going to attach the other part to our connector. Perfect. Cool. So now we only need to attach our earring hook. We don't need to use an extra jump ring because we want the earring to be hanging like this. And if you would add an extra jump ring, it will go like this. So that's just something to check if you make earrings. And you want to attach it right across from your ball chain. So that's, see, here. Just close your earring hook and you're done. So that's your earrings finished. Of course you're going to make 2. Ta-da! That was easy. And you just got these really cool earrings. We also got these like transparent tubes in our shop that you can put on the back of your earring hook. So if you're wearing them, they don't fall out. So that's really handy. And we got a couple of more colors of these flower beads if you want to change up the colors. I hope you liked this video. If you want to make it yourself, you can buy all the materials in our web shop, www.beadsandbasics.com, and there's a link below this video that'll take you to the exact page with all the materials you need. And if you made something with our beads, feel free to share it on Instagram using hashtag #beadsandbasics. We love to see all your creations, and we even choose one winner every week that we give out 20 euros of shopping money that you can use to buy even more beads. If you want to see more jewelry tutorials, just subscribe to our channel and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye!